Here we will discuss about model 3. It is the greatest number that exactly divides 105, 1001 and 2436 is. We have to find the greatest number. Here the greatest number is nothing but the HCF of 105, 1001, 2436. We have to find the HCF of these three numbers and that will become our answer. We first divide 1001 2436 into 2, 2002 434. We divide this 1001 434 into 2 868. It will become 133. We will again divide 434 into 3 399 35 133 35 into 3 105 28 35 28 into 1 28 7 7 again divided by 28 4. The remainder is 0. That means HCF of these two numbers is 7. Now we will check whether this number is divisible by 7 or not. 105 into 7 into 15 105. That means the HCF of these three numbers is 7. The greatest number that exactly divides 105, 1001 and 2436 is 7. Next we will discuss about model 4. Find the greatest number that will divide 43, 91 and 183 so as to leave the same remainder in each case. Here the remainder is same in each case, but the remainder is not given. Let's see how to solve this type of questions. Before solving this, I will tell you one concept. Suppose if there are two numbers A and B. When A is divided by X, the remainder get is R. Also B divided by X, the remainder is R. When these two numbers are divided by X, the remainder we get is same. From here we can conclude that A minus B is completely divisible by X. Suppose if there are two numbers 20 and 26, first we divide this number by 6, this number by 6. Here the remainder we get is 6 into 3 18, that means remainder is 2. Here 6 into 4 24, remainder is 2. From here we can conclude that 26 minus 20 is completely divisible by 6. 26 minus 20 is 6. 6 is completely divisible by 6. Now we apply this concept for solving this type of problems. Here 43, 91, 83. We have to find a number that will divide these three numbers so as to leave the same remainder in each case. Suppose that number is X. When these two numbers are divided by X, the remainder is same. That means we can say that 91 minus 43 is completely divisible by X. Also, when these two numbers are divided by X, the remainder is same. That means we can say that 183 minus 91 is completely divisible by that number. Also, when these two numbers are divisible by X, the remainder is same. That means we can say that 183 minus 43 is completely divisible by X. 91 minus 43 48, 183 minus 91 92, 183 minus 43 140. Now we have to find a number that exactly divides these numbers. That is nothing but HCF. We have to find the HCF of 48, 92 and 140 and that will become our answer. 92, 140, 1, 92, 48, 92, 1, 48, 44, 48, 1, 44, 4, 44, 11. 4 is the HCF of these two numbers. Now we will see 4 divided by 42, 48. 4 is the HCF of these three numbers. Now our answer is 4. 4 is the number that will divide 43, 91 and 183 so as to leave same remainder in each case. What we have done here is, first we have written down the numbers, then we subtract 91 minus 43, 183 minus 91, 183 minus 43, and we find the HCF of these three numbers, and that will become our answer. This is about model 4. Next we will discuss about model 5. Find the greatest number which on dividing 1657 and 2037 leaves remainders 6 and 5 respectively. Here the remainders are different in each case. Let's assume x is the greatest number which divides these two numbers leaving remainder 6 and 5. When this number is divided by x, the remainder is 6. That means 1657 minus 6 is completely divisible by x. Also, when 2037 divided by x, remainder is 5. That means 2037 minus 5 is completely divisible by x. 1651 and 2032. These two numbers are completely divisible by x. That means x is the HCF of these two numbers. We have to find HCF of these two numbers. One 1651 2 minus 1 2 13 minus 5 8 2 minus 1 1 13 minus 5 8 19 minus 16 3 1651 381 into 4 4 into 1 4 4 into 8 32 4 into 3 12 15. It will become 127 381 381. Remainder is 0. That means 121 is the HCF of these two numbers. Our answer is 127. 127 is the greatest number which on dividing 1657 and 2037 leaves remainder 6 and 5 respectively. That's all about the concept of LCM and HCF. In the coming video we will discuss some problems related to this topic.